Hello, my friends. This is Yari from Third Eye Yari, ready for another video. And today we're going to use the Atlantis Oracle for our main energy. Getting some light in the cards, getting the energy flowing. Let's see what Spirit want us to know. Spirit, angels, ascended masters, what do we need to know today? What's important for us to know today? I think that's enough. Let's see what we got. The Great Crystal. The Great Crystal. A vast quartz crystal of pure source energy. Oh my God, I can't even read today. Graced the temple of Poseidon and created an intergalactic portal. It was also the central power generator, providing pure and safe energy as the mainframe computer for Atlantis. It powered high-frequency internet service. The Great Crystal now lies in the center of the Bermuda Triangle. Direct your power. This card suggests that you look at the source of your inner power. Do not underestimate yourself. Every thought, word, and action radiates an energy that affects others and draws situations and people to you. Make sure your aims are for the highest good. Great currents of energy will emanate from you, enabling you to be a power generator to help the world. Use your power for the highest good. This is fantastic. Fantastic. Always for the greatest good. Let's see what Lemuria has to say beyond Lemuria Oracle cards. It's so important not to underestimate ourselves. We are such powerful beings, but we've been led to believe that we're not, that we're little and unimportant, and that is so not true. It's so hard when you first awaken to get that through our heads. I know, because it's been hard for me. And I can say that I'm important, but so many times we act like we are not important. Like other people are important. Like people that are, in power positions are more important than we are, and this and that and the other. It's really hard. It's a working process, for sure. The sound of the universe. The sound of the universe. Crystals are live beings, different from us, but live and with consciousness. They're definitely feel, hear, know, can help us, are here to work for us, to help us. We just need to let them know what we need them for and trust them. And I think if our senses were as they should, we could hear them. Like sounds that dogs can hear that we can't. I think there's a rhythm and a beat to the universe that if we don't go into meditation, if we don't quiet our minds, we miss. We can't hear. So I think that card is talking to us about all of that. Actually, we can read what the author wanted to tell us. That's card 51. We can read real quick a little bit. Messenger. Serious energy, bringing harmony and balance. We were talking about balance yesterday a lot. What a beautiful card. Looks like an angel giving us energy, like Reiki energy, healing energy to bring harmony and balance. Card 51. So, having your world shaken up even a little can invite a deeper glimpse of the great mystery of your life. There are myriad ways to peek behind the veil of the mundane world. Ecstatic dance, spiritual exploration, and intuitive creative pursuits are just a few. Aim to naturally imbue this awareness in your everyday existence as you can avoid the sudden wake up calls. Wake up to the hidden music, harmony, and wonder of your multidimensional world. Wasn't that what I was talking about? We need to listen. We need to quiet our minds so we can hear the music and get the messages that the world and the universe are trying to give us. And one of those tools can definitely be crystals. Let's see which Ascended Master is trying to help us today with all of this. And then we'll do some tarot. Open your heart to love. Jesus. Jesus is with us today. With all the animals who also bring us messages. Who also would like to help us if we let them. So I think there's several messages here. So it's telling us that there's so many ways the universe talks to us that we need to pay more attention to the messages. Crystals, animals, the sounds of the universe. We really need to pay attention, quiet our minds to get those messages. What else do we need to know about this? What other messages are there for us? Wow. They're all in reverse. Queen of Pentacles. Composed, cultured, and kind. Ten of Pentacles. Completion. Journeyman. Change. Movement. King of Air. So this is the Queen of Swords. Intelligence. Attentive. I think it's telling us that we definitely live in the material world. And that's where we move. That's where we live. That's where our everyday life goes on. But at the same time, there's another layer. Other messages, other realities that the universe is telling us that if we only pay attention to our daily living and we don't give us the space, we miss so much. We're missing so much from the wisdom that the universe has to offer. The messages. We need to open our heart and we need to open our minds and use tools that we didn't know existed until we started on a spiritual journey. To open portals to that divine intervention, to that divine wisdom. And we don't need to have a gigantic crystal quartz in the middle of our living room. We don't even have to have a little one. If we have them, wonderful. But just by sitting with yourself and going inside, we can hear those messages. Paying attention to our pets or animals. Just listening to the sound and the beat of the universe, we can get those messages. Yes, we can. All right, let's do some letters. N, D, J, S, E, L, Y, C, K, F, and U. I see need, I see sell, I see yuck. All right, you can find your own messages in those letters. N, D, J, S, E, L, Y, C, K, F, U. letters F and letter U. All right. Let's do some little charms. I'm gonna try not to get as many as I got yesterday, because yesterday I got a lot. And we had the world yesterday too. And we had, all right. So again, we have things to do, we have work to do, we have something to tighten up, right? So we're gonna be able to fly and manage the world with the wisdom and the knowledge that the universe is going to give us. We're going to be able to see everything from a different perspective. If we love and nurture ourselves, and we listen to the messages. Birds are messengers, right? To the messages of the world, of the universe. Beautiful. All right, my friends, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have any ideas for other kinds of readings or videos in general, let me know. I'll see you tomorrow.